Hello, friends. Today we are going to learn about 5 strategies that actually work in crypto trading for beginners. For beginners in crypto trading, 5 effective strategies can help maximize returns. First, hodling, or holding on to cryptocurrencies long term, allows traders to benefit from overall market growth despite short term volatility. Second, dollar cost averaging involves investing small, fixed amounts regularly to reduce the impact of market fluctuations. Third, range trading focuses on buying when prices are low and selling when they reach predictable resistance levels. Fourth, trend following encourages traders to monitor price trends and invest in the direction of momentum, whether upward or downward. Finally, using stop loss orders protects investments by automatically selling assets if their value drops below a set point, limiting potential losses. These strategies, combined with research and risk management, can help beginners succeed in crypto trading. Make sure you like this video and subscribe the channel before you go. Thanks for watching.